Hi, gays. Shut up.
Gays only?
And girls and everything in between. And,
LGBTQIA plus community.
Oh, wow. Okay. Go ahead. Ano yung tawag ito? Political correctness. Oh, yan. Oh. And now, this is our 6th episode
Yes.
of Drag Mo, Paandar Ko. We have another episode
Yes.
now. Yeah, we have another cast.
I'm so excited because
Yes.
this person is special to you.
Yes.
And
Tapos na ganun. No.
no.
Ayan, tawagin na natin ang aming pinaka-master kapatid. And like, bakit? O, sige na, bakit natin tao? Oh, wali ka dito, sister.
Ang ganda-ganda na ni sister.
Inirapan ako, girl, gumanon siya. Nadalo yung patay na.
May face siya kasi mas maganda siya sa iyo.
Oh, yun, sige.
Of course.
Wow. Wow.
Ano pangalan ng sister mo? Ano ka ba? Ano naman introduce?
Hindi siya na, magaling naman siya. Siya yung maganda, di ba?
Ang pangalan mo, sister?
Pangalan mo daw.
Full name po ba?
Yes.
Full name.
My name is Eloisa Marie Ann Pihio.
Parang nag-isip ka pa, no? Eloisa Marian Pino. Her name is Eloisa. Yes. So, tanggap ka na. Siya na pinakamaganda. Okay na? Okay na? Okay. Ayan. So, ilang taon ka na and anong ginagawa mo? Did you finish your studies? Ano ba? Go.
I'm 18 and
Oh my God.
currently enrolled sa WTC as aeronautical engineer.
Oh, wow. O, diba? O, diba yung tuition? Tulungan naman ako na tuition, no? Ayun lang So, my sister.
Why? Yes.
Graduated. Why? Aeronautical
Yes.
engineering.
Gusto ko kasi maging piloto.
Oh, you should want to be a pilot.
Why you wanna be a pilot?
Well, it's nice to be in the sky.
Why is it nice to be in the sky?
Uy, grabe yung mga tanong yan. I think it's nice that we have a girl, well, a woman. A woman?
18 years old.
She's a woman now that wants to have this
What's to be in the sky?
in the sky. No, because pilots are predominantly male. It's like a male-dominated profession.
Breaking boundaries.
Yeah, she wants to break the glass ceiling. But alam mo yun, like sobrang, alam mo, kaya mo yan kaya mo na siguro tustusan ng pag-aaral.
The pressure.
No,
The pressure.
na-pressure ka, huwag ka mo-pressure.
No, it's also breaking the binary rule.
Yeah.
Yes.
How?
Because you said it's predominantly male.
Okay.
So I have to spell it for your crew. Just kidding.
Grabe siya. Ano problema mo sa akin, te? Ayun, so, ano yung, meron ka bang natutunan sa drag at meron ka bang mga friends who are doing drag? Apart sa akin,
After na pagkulong ng brother mo.
Wow!
Natutuwa
Wow! Natutuwa talaga tayo doon. Ano?
Wag gumawa na.
Huwag gumawa na. Mas mo mag-drag. Yung ano to daw.
Wag mag-drag ng religious,
Oh.
Baka kasi masunod, charot lang.
Wala akong Pero okay, sige. Naka-t-shirt ka pa, Di ba? Ako yan.
Yes.
Santo talaga yung itsura niyan. By the way, guys, if you want to buy my shirt, go to my website, artofplb.com. Anyway, ayan. Pero may mga classmates ka bang queer or...
May mga friends akong bakla, mga classmates.
Okay, hindi.
Pero,
Binubuli mo ba sila?
Madami din.
Wow! Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo
Now, what's your stand on LGBTQIA plus people?
Should we have same-sex rights, same-sex marriage?
for me, syempre, because, since it's already in the 21st century,
Kaya mo to?
oh my God.
May actually,
Kaya mo ba?
Kasi, evolution. So, dapat, we also welcome them.
Damn.
I mean, like, di naman kasi, yung pagiging LGBT. Like,
Hindi siya
tao din naman. So,
Talaga pa?
so like, lang naman, like,
Ayusin mo, kapatid kita.
For example, ako
Oh.
straight, ikaw kapatid, like,
Oh, ano?
girl, like, ganun lang.
So, ano?
Like, tanggap kita, gano'n.
Okay. Pues, alam mo,
Ano naman yung point?
ganyan katanggap rin kita. Babe. Kaya hindi ka masyado, charot.
No.
Pero ano.
Pero, mas gawin natin difficult yung question. What do you know about the Soji bill?
Uy, ate, hindi natin,
Hindi naman ako yung student.
hindi naman natin pinag-usapan to. Oh,
naman pura na kanina, kapatid mo tayo, hindi mo yung tinuruan.
ano na, Soji? Soji. Alam nyo, i-google nyo na lang. Di ba? I-chat GPT mo. Nag-chat GPT ka, di ba?
Pero ano, kailangan, kahit mga bata, kapakanan natin ang Soji bill. So, kailangan natin malaman lahat. Pura, what's Soji bill?
Ang Soji bill po ay, well, ang Soji, lahat ng tao may Soji.
Yeah.
Ikaw may Soji ka.
Please educate.
Susuntukin kita, alam mo to eh. Okay, Soji is sexuality or sexual orientation and gender, identity, and expression. Yes, napakagaling talaga na kapatid ko, no? Hindi, okay lang yan. So, lahat naman ng tao, mapa-straight man, mapa-gay, meron siya Soji marker.
Exactly.
Kasi minsan, when we're talking about Soji, people think na, ano yun? Pambakla lang ba yun? Hindi naman, lahat na tao may Soji. Lahat tayo may sexual orientation.
At ika nga nila, the Soji bill is a bill for everyone.
Yes.
Protects straight people.
Supposedly.
Yeah, for example, kung straight ka tapos discriminate ka sa trabaho dahil straight ka, pwede mo gamitin ang Soji bill.
Correct. Or, correct, na-discriminate ka dahil babae ka. Pwede rin yun.
Exactly.
Kasi, nasa ano yun, expression mo yun.
Yes. Well, anyways, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Ano yung fantasy mo in...
Anong fantasy mo? Who do you want to become?
No.
Wow. Alam mo, malis ka dito. Sige, madaan ko kayo, kuya.
Okay, kuya. Palamakan natin si kuya.
Ayan na. Anong fantasy mo? Ang gulat ang nangyayari. Sige nga, ano.
Disney princess.
She wants to be a Disney princess. Just like you. A Disney princess.
Mas kamukha yan si Gashpan.
Wow! Okay na te. Huwag kang mag-alala. Itutupad namin ang iyong kahilingan. Transform ka namin into Disney princess.
Yes.
Here we go.
Here we go. We're back.
Here we go again.
Dragon Ball paandar ko.
Yes, and now we are...
Special cat.
Ano yun?
We got it sa. Pwede ba? Basta na tayo, girl.
Okay, take care. Shut up, I'll go.
Kapit bahay.
Yeah. Welcome natin ang aking sister that got into a major transformation into her drag persona. Yeah, so sister, on in.
At the boat sister.
I don't know. Ayan.
Oh.
Ayan na, may patrino, may patrino.
Oh my God, you look so different.
She looks so like me.
Wow.
We look alike, oh.
I beg to disagree.
You can disagree all you want. Okay.
Hindi ang ganda niya, sis. Tingnan mo.
Oo naman. Kasi talaga, nasa pamilya namin ang mga magaganda.
Kapatid ba kayo talaga?
Hindi.
Wow! Okay, girl. Okay.
No, seriously. Look at the transformation.
How do you feel about this?
The face, the body.
Oh, ganda nga. Ang ganda naman.
The dress is nice.
The dress is nice. Thank you so much, Job.
Job that corny. Ano job that corny?
And then, how do you feel about the transformation?
Yes.
Giving fantasy.
Giving fantasy talaga. And then, what is your drag name? Kasi sabi namin, dapat may drag name.
Yes.
Hindi ko pa alam. Kami magbibinyag sa'yo. Di ba, pura Luca Vega? Ito ba kapatid kita?
Ay, parang natatakot ako. Bakit natakot?
Bakit?
Kasi you speak.
Oh.
Gusto mo maging kapakanan si Puro Loki.
Ayaw mo ba? Hindi, syempre dapat. Punaloka Junior. No. Siyempre, iba naman. Ibahin natin. I'm thinking Sister Mary Francis. Ay, ano gusto yung pangalan dito? Mukha siyang
Actually, mukha siyang Japanese actress. Right?
si ano?
You mean?
Ha? No. Ano?
You mean
Yumino Kikimono? Ano? O, yun ang drag name mo.
Yumino
Kikimono!
In fairness,
Pinagsasabi mo, sino yung actress to?
yun nasa K-pop Hunter.
Si Rumi. Si Rumi. Ng K-pop Demon Hunter. Kasi ang pangalan niya si Maria Rumi. In short, Ma Rumi.
Dapat sa'yo.
bagay, ang sa tingnan.
Yung dapat daw sa akin daw yun, wala kang choice kasi kapatid kita. Tsaka dapat pinag-isipan mo na to.
No, seriously, look at the body, yari.
Correct. Maria Rumi. Yun na lang, Maria Rumi.
I'm sorry to say, Luca, you could never.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I could never. Okay na. Grabe yung tawa mo, no? Okay na.
I'm so happy to see the both of you in drag. I mean, who has family, like real blood family, who are both doing drag?
Kasi nga, the family that drags together is forever.
It's There you go, yeah.
Yes.
I wish I could have any of my family.
You can,
Maybe I'll put my mom in drag.
you should put your
The
mom
real
in
person,
drag.
yeah.
Yeah,
At one time.
Oh, kailan? Kailan pupunta mami mo?
Sige, sabihin ko sa'yo.
Oh, great. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
But thank you so much, Rumi.
And also, Maria Rumi,
Yeah.
what is your message to all of your classmates or friends? Kung may friends ka. Alam mo? Or, to all the people your age, about what your experience is and what are the things that you've learned.
Well, for my fellow Gen Z.
Wow, okay. To my fellow Gen Z, kasali ako doon go.
Really.
Oh, go na.
What I've learned sa drag is mahirap siya.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not easy.
Yeah, I know.
And you should support drag queen.
Wow.
Not just, also the local drag queens.
Drag queens,
Treat
drag
them
kings,
as-
yeah.
Treat them as, like, mga local artists or like mga artists na you idolize. Because they give the same effort.
If not harder. If not
Yeah.
harder.
Oh my
And-
God, my sister. I love your sister.
And I know the struggle of my brother of doing drag.
Yeah, she knows the struggle of.
And I also struggle.
Sorry naman. Oh,
Yeah, I know the struggle.
yeah, she knows the struggle. Thank you, thank you. Support local drag and yun lang. So sana natuwa ka. We will let you do the runway. We will take photo shoots of you. You feel the fantasy.
Yes.
And then,
That's it.
that's it.
We'll see you next time.
And we'll invite another one, to be another victim. So sana naman natuwa ka. Kung hindi ka natuwa, okay lang. Pero
naman ako
obvious naman na natuwa ka, right?
Ito ako sa drag.
Well, bagay sa'yo, Andres. Alam mo, wag na natin isauli. Hiniram lang natin to eh. Wag na natin isauli. But
No.
yun nga.
But let's see her do the round.
Correct.
Please welcome.
Maria Rumi! Kiki Yoko. Ano ba yun? Kiki Mono. Ganon. Go.